Hi, my name is Bree Clark, and today I'm going to show you how to insert ActiveX controls in Microsoft Excel. ActiveX controls can be used to perform various actions in association with macros in Microsoft Excel, but we're not going to cover the macros portion today. We'll just stick with adding the controls. In this blank Excel workbook, I first need to show my Developer tab. So I'm going to go to File, Options, and click on Customize Ribbon on the left. Then I'm going to select the Developer tab and click OK. Now that the Developer tab is active, I can click on that and under Controls go to Insert and choose whichever ActiveX control I want. I'm going to go with a drop-down list for right now, and then I'll just click where I want that to appear. That's as far as we'll take it in this video, but if you wanted to assign a macro or any other Visual Basic code to it, you could right-click on it and you could view the code from there and continue. My name is Bree Clark, and that's how you can add an ActiveX control to a Microsoft Excel file.